The Antioquian countryside, a tapestry of rolling green hills, cradled a peculiar dwelling known as Amaluna House. It wasn't a house in the traditional sense, but rather an assemblage of 11 distinct volumes, scattered across the expansive, level terrain like the scattered pieces of a celestial puzzle. Plan, the arquitectos, the architects behind this eccentric vision, had faced the daunting challenge of a sprawling program, a demand for space that could have easily resulted in a monolithic, imposing structure. Instead, they opted for fragmentation, a deliberate dismemberment of the conventional house into individual, habitable cubes. Eight of these volumes rested comfortably on the single plane of the land, while 3, defying gravity, rose to a second story, their forms echoing the gentle undulations of the distant mountains. The topography itself became a collaborator, dictating the placement of each volume, ensuring seamless access through the central hall and a more utilitarian entry via the kitchen. Though their rotations appeared random, as if tossed by an unseen hand, a hidden order prevailed. A central circulation, a spine running east to west, stitched the disparate parts together, ensuring a logical flow through the seemingly chaotic layout. This spine was the house's silent navigator, guiding inhabitants through its fragmented body. The architects, playing a game of architectural dice, had meticulously positioned each volume to maximize natural light and functionality. The living spaces, the rooms, and the dining area all faced south, basking in the warm glow of the Andean sun. Conversely, the service areas, the practical heart of the house, were relegated to the north, accepting the cooler, more subdued light. This deliberate orientation, a subtle nod to the region's climate, ensured comfort and efficiency within the unconventional structure. The common areas, the interstitial spaces between the volumes, served as the house's unifying force. Lobbies, corridors, gardens, and terraces acted as connective tissues, binding the individual cubes into a cohesive whole. These spaces weren't merely passageways, they were designed to be luminous, airy, and inviting, allowing natural light to penetrate deep into the house's core. Interior gardens, miniature ecosystems nestled within the architectural framework, added a touch of verdant serenity, blurring the lines between inside and out. Inside, the volumes retain their individuality, each a self-contained world within the larger whole. Strategically placed skylights, like apertures to the sky, allowed overhead light to flood the interiors, creating a sense of spaciousness and connection to the heavens. The play of light and shadow, dancing across the textured surfaces, added a layer of depth and intrigue, transforming the simple volumes into captivating spaces. Amaluna House, in its fragmented beauty, was a testament to the power of architectural innovation, a home that embraced the irregularity of life itself. The external appearance of Amaluna House was a study in contrasts. The three-dimensional irregularity, the playful arrangement of the volumes, created a dynamic, ever-changing silhouette against the backdrop of the landscape. Yet, the choice of facade materials was decidedly restrained, a testament to the architect's desire for harmony amidst diversity. Graphite-colored metal panels, exposed concrete, and black stone veneer, each possessing a distinct texture and tone, were employed to clad the volumes, creating a visual dialogue between the artificial and the natural. And so, Amaluna House stands, a testament to the power of thoughtful design, a place where fragmentation creates unity, and irregularity births harmony. It's a reminder that homes aren't just structures, but living, breathing spaces, shaped by light, landscape, and the very essence of those who dwell within. If you found this architectural exploration as captivating as we have, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more journeys into the world of extraordinary design. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you think of Amaluna House. Until next time, keep exploring, keep imagining, and keep finding beauty in the unexpected.